welcome back to my channel. And I'm starting this video a little bit awkwardly because I don't know, I literally just picked up my camera and phone camera and decided to film. Here we are. Hopefully you guys can see me. Damn, I don't know how much I cut. So guys, this is legit the behind the scenes that no one ever shows you. Chai. Oh gosh, anything for the b-rolls, anything for the b-rolls.
Sunlight that always stays.
Kid you not, this is like the third time I'm doing this voiceover, or maybe like sixth time. But anyways, step 1.5 is to pour yourself a nice glass of wine. It took me a while to get into this wine, but I'm really liking it right now. And then another secret ingredient, my gosh, but not so secret, is this curry paste. I really like this. It creates a really good base for your curry. And then I like to add a nice little heaped spoon. And then afterwards, I also like to add curry powder. I don't always do this, but every now and then I do it, and I did it today. So I know this looks a little super awkward. Please don't judge me. Like, I don't cook often, but I do cook often enough to know how to take a glass bowl out of the oven. I'm just not used to wearing gloves. What can I say? But yeah, let's caramelize our peppers and create a really yummy sauce. Morning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, did I welcome you guys already? I think I did, but anyway, it's a new day. I just came back from viewing the very last place. I think I'm done. I low-key think I've found a place. Well, actually, I have found a place, so hopefully that goes through all well, like no problems. Right now I'm at my parents' home because I need to drop off some documents. I was hoping my mom would be here, but she isn't. But at least my dad's here, so that's fine. Yeah. I wasn't able to film that place. I wanted to. Oh gosh. But yeah, I wasn't able to film that place. I really wanted to, but when I got there, why? Sorry guys, I'm really distracted. Okay, when I got there, I wasn't aware that the current tenants would be there, so they were there because they're working from home, and the place just, it wasn't that neat, and I just didn't want to like shame. I didn't feel comfortable even asking them, hey, can I film, can I take pictures? It's okay. I did a walkthrough. I like the place, but I'm gonna do like a separate video of like all the places that I've viewed, so you guys can also kind of just get a understanding or basic idea of what to look out for if you're trying to move within these areas, or if you're a first-time mover, first-time renter. You kind of know what to expect in terms of pricing and the kind of spaces that you will find. I did like the amenities, but yeah, anyway, enough about the place. Just hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, if you're keen on that. But yeah, I'm home now. I need to drop off some stuff. Oh snap, it looks like they're trying to fix the gate. How am I gonna get in? Okay, let me see what's going on. So I just wanted to show you guys all the materials that my mom sometimes brings for me, because she knows I'm into DIYs and stuff. But I haven't collected any of it, so it's just been sitting here. But hopefully, I say I'm a lot. Anyway, hopefully when I move into my new place, I can start like planning certain DIYs. Can you see like there's so many offcuts here? I definitely want to build like a bench for my balcony space. I want to build a bench for my balcony space. Yeah, another thing I want is this over here. I think this will work wow for my balcony space outside. I know for a fact we don't care for these books. I don't even know what books they are. My dad will probably give me hassles about these books. Oh snap, there's some Bibles here. My dad will probably give me hassles about these books. He likes to keep books because, you know, I'll read them, and he just never does. Let me know if you guys have parents that are like that as well. I'm low-key like that. So maybe that's where I get it from. So yeah, this is like the Lapa area, but we don't ever use it, and that's why it's kind of become everything. Ooh, this pool is usually like really, really nice. And I want to show you guys outside the garden. Oh, I just felt a raindrop. Yeah, that's how the skies look still. But yeah, this is my mom's garden. She kind of keeps to it. Got a whole bunch of spinach. It's actually looking pretty neat. You guys cleaned the garden? The last time I was here, there was like this angazbi, but yes, there was so many of them. It looks good, Dad. Yeah. Did you do it? Did Mom do it? Oh, it looks very, very nice. What did the storm do? Oh. Yeah, manje look. Yeah, but what's these?
Potatoes.
Which one's potatoes?
These ones.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It comes out looking so nice. Konan futhi. Ngone spinach over there.
Yes, spinach, potatoes, onions.
Oh, yeah, I can see. I know how to recognize onions.
Onions. Chilies.
No, look, onion is
Yes, onions. Yes, it's onions.
Yeah, what's good look?
Yes.
Oh. Chives. Is this chives?
You can chop it in. It makes the curry very nice.
Oh.
See, yes. Spinach.
More onions.
Onions, spinach.
Beetroot, ne?
Just beetroot.
Beetroot.
The lettuce.
Poppy?
There's lettuce.
Oh, lapaya.
There's lettuce. Yeah.
Oh. And then what's that lapaya move? Carrots.
This is carrots.
Oh.
Beetroot.
Yeah. A lot of carrots.
Beetroot and onion. Yeah, it's carrots.
Let's clash sona. My son.
It's chilies.
It's so big now. Is
Yes,
it new? Let's clash. Is it new?
No,
Oh, you bought it.
No, they are growing up now.
Oh, I see peppers la.
That's pepper.
Green pepper.
This is green pepper.
Should next year zoza lang zo shop.
No, just yeah, December.
December.
Before the rain.
Sengitholile futhi indawo.
Utolo.
I'm at this furniture place and I just thought I'll come check it out. I always see it whenever I'm driving from Edenvale side coming to Kempton Park. I always drive past it. So I just thought, okay, let me see what this place is about. I know. That's it. Let's check it out. gosh, this thing just stopped recording. But anyway, I was saying, for certain priced items, you kind of wish that they would just come done and that you don't have to do anything. But yeah, I didn't see anything too special. I saw some things that I might like, but yeah, nothing like caught my eye really. Yeah, hopefully we'll see some nice things at the thrift store.
We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Oh, just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me.
Of more than 166.
So yeah, Charles, this is a bit awkward, isn't it? But yeah, I just went to Goodies. I did see some things that I like. Actually, the furniture, I really liked the chairs that I saw. Occasional chairs, I can kind of see them in my space. But yeah, I'm also really glad that this was still there. Oh gosh, there's like a leaf blower right next to me. Probably thinks I'm so weird talking to myself. It's so close. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I think that's it for now. And I will see you all on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, okay, now let me go. Let me just go. I'll do a proper outro for you guys.